this thing called life is something else, you know. Reminiscing a conversation that I used to have with my previous girlfriend almost about a year ago. When she used to ask me, Kwame, when are you getting a life insurance? And I would ask her, why must I go in for a life insurance? Because if we are going to live together and get married, at the end of the day, we're going to have children, and you would die, and you would need to leave us inheritance. Really? So how about you? Why don't you also go for the life insurance? So that when we get married and we have children, you can also die and leave me inheritance so that I can also look after the children. Why is it that you ladies, you women always think it is the men that are going to die first? Because you guys know what you are doing to us. You guys are the reason why men in Africa, we die early, we die young. You give us unnecessary pressure. You are giving us unnecessary burden. The load on our head is too much for us. So you know, Clary, with what I'm doing to my husband, with what I'm doing to my boyfriend, I know he is going to die before me. So he needs to get a life insurance already. So that in case he's not here today, I and the children, we are not going to suffer. Honestly speaking, I'm not going here I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to live to my old age. I'm living long. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have any place to go. I will live, be very prosperous, make a lot of impact in life, and will see my grandchildren's children. I'm not going anywhere. So if you think you're coming to date me, marry me, live with me, and you would be compelling me to make a life insurance, I'm not ready to do that yet. I'm not buying any insurance for my death.